Well guys, welcome to another Hunley Garage. Getting ready to do another battery box build. I've got some inverters here. So I've got to do a review on this 3000 watt 24 volt inverter. This is the 12 volt that I've had. But anyway, I've got some turbo fans to review here. ALFFAA, who also makes the inverters, they reached out and said, hey, would you do a review on this turbo fan? And I said, sure. And I apologized to him, but I didn't do it fairly soon, I guess you could say. And he said, that's all right, we've already replaced it. Could you do a comparison? So I'm like, sure. So that's what I'm gonna do today. This is their Violent turbo fan. I'll put some links down into it, but I did use this a little bit. This little guy right here really puts some air out. You basically kind of charge it up and you can select the different speeds. So I'll go ahead and open this guy up and we'll do a comparison. All right, so I got her opened up and they're both boxed nice. There we go. We got some, it's got a holder with it, and it's got the instructions as well. And I don't know, are they the same size? This one's got kind of a plastic see-through cover on it. This one's darker. They look like they're around the same size. Basically, what you do is you have three settings here, and then you have kind of like your on button, and then you can charge it at the bottom. I don't know if this is charged, but you press in and hold it. And this would be speed 3. Oh, it's got a light. And then you can hold this sucker. Dry your hair with that, but if you push these buttons, it'll get you, so I guess it's got a light. And then I think you have to hold it for the turbo. This thing is freaking nuts. I wonder, I need to figure out a way to get like the velocity of it. But this thing's crazy. This thing is the same way too. You press in and hold it, and you can, I think that one's quicker. The other one kind of ramps up. And then you have to hold it. But see how this one here, when it's on 1, comes right up to speed. This one right here, when you press it, it ramps up. I think it sucks the air in from down here. Whoa, gotta hold on to this thing. And then it won't go automatically on the 3rd, you have to hold it. It's kind of, it says Violent turbo fan, but you don't know how true that is. So here's the project parameters. So 120 minutes, 312 grams. Colorful lights. So this one doesn't have any lights on it. I'm gonna try to figure out a way that we can figure out how hard it blows. Let me see if I can think of something. So I just wanted to show you this too. So this cap here is magnetic. So it's got a magnet in here and a magnet there. And then they give you this one so you can set it in place. So you don't have the, let me turn it off. So you don't have that colored one. And it's got a different nozzle on the end, if you can see that. And so this one right here, this didn't, oh, I'll be damned. It came off. So now I've got a couple different ones. They kind of set into place there, but that's kind of cool. This one here, I think it's got some more batteries in there. Like I said, let me figure out a way I can figure out kind of air velocity in CFM, because I want to see how it compares to like my, this guy right here. I know this thing's huge, but this thing puts out a lot of cubic feet a minute of air. So let me see if I can figure it out. So another one, they asked me to do a comparison. So this is the older one. So it looks like the battery went from 3,000 to 4,000. Charge time is 2.5 hours, 2.5 hours, so that stayed the same. Battery life, it says 90 minutes in first gear. This one's 120 minutes, so 2 hours. This one right here is 312 grams. This one's 305. And so it looks like they're pretty close to the same size. So 1 millimeter longer is this one up here. So those are kind of the differences. But like I said, let me see if I can figure out CFM. Okay, so I think I got something figured out. So I've got my manometer here. And so it shows a negative number right now, but if you use that as a baseline, I've got this on low. And if you start this, it goes to 1.7. If you go to 2, it goes to almost 6. And then if you go to 3, it's like 12. So then if we get this guy, and we turn it on, we're like 1 point, about the same. I'm tired. I think I gotta charge the battery on this one. Damn it, but I think that'll work. All right, so here's the new fan. So it's brighter outside so you can't see the screen. I'll turn this guy on and then do it on the super suck. And so this one got the batteries all charged up, and so definitely not as much, but yeah, it makes a lot of air. Will this go this one? Yeah. All right, well, let's try this on forward too. All right, so here's forward. So this is the new one on 3. So it's like 22 inches. Here's. So I don't know if it was because I've got a different nozzle. I'm gonna try the same nozzle. So here's this one again. So like 23. So now I'm gonna put that on. Oh, they won't. won't go. Let's see if I can get this one, because it's round. All right, so this is on 3. So pretty close. So I don't know. It's a lot of freaking air. That's crazy. So what can you use them for? I mean, you could blow dry your hair. You could clean out. Oops, turned it off. There's like so much air. You know, you could clean my garage floor out. Do anything you want with them. It's a lot of air. You could dust some stuff off, clean. You know, if you're a woodworker, you could definitely, you know, clean stuff off of here. So I don't know. Yeah, they're pretty cool. But yeah, thanks Alpha for sending these to me. Hope this is what you wanted. They're kind of cool. So hit like and subscribe. Like I said, I'm gonna have probably the next video or two, I'm gonna do another battery build. I've got a box and some components. I'm gonna start working on that, but I don't know, hit like and subscribe if you want to. If not, no worries, and we'll catch you on the next one.